Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study online properly, step by step. First, create a dedicated study space. This means finding a quiet area where you can focus without interruptions. Make sure your lighting is good and your chair is comfortable for those longer study sessions. Keeping your materials organized will also save you time and help you stay on track. Next, master your time management. Develop a consistent study schedule and commit to it daily. Break down larger assignments into smaller, more manageable one-hour chunks. Remember to take short, 5-minute breaks every 25 to 30 minutes. This helps prevent burnout and keeps your mind fresh, improving your overall productivity and retention. To truly succeed, engage actively with your course material. Don't just passively read, participate in online discussions, and collaborate in virtual group work. Take thorough notes and then summarize the key concepts in your own words to deepen your understanding. Regularly test your knowledge with practice questions and quizzes to identify areas needing more attention. Finally, prioritize your well-being for sustained online success. Make sure to incorporate regular physical activity into your routine to maintain energy levels. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. It's crucial for memory and focus. Staying hydrated is also key, so keep a reliable water bottle, like an Owala, nearby. Check the description for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.